Good morning, students. Today I will start with chapter 4 multiplication, and today my topic is multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. You have seen in the last exercises that I have done the multiplication like this. We are doing multiplication like this. But if we are talking about the multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, we will not show the multiplication by this method. Simply we will write the answer. Now the first is multiplication by 10. Now you can see that how many zeros are there? 1 0. In 10 there is only 1 0. So now read the sum. A part, 16 into 10. Now what will be our first step? Our first step will be, first I will multiply 16 by 1. What will I do first? First I will multiply 16 by 1. So I hope you can give the answer. 16 ones are 16. So I will write here 16. अगर हम 16 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर है 16. Now you can see that how many zeros are there? 1 0 only. So my answer will be 160. See, I have not used any method like this. I have not written the sum like this. Simply I have written the answer here by doing simple method. First I have done the multiplication of these two numbers. 16 multiply 1. 16 ones are 16. And how many zeros are there? Only 1. So my answer will be 160. Now come to the B part. 126 into 10. Again I will do the first step. I will multiply 126 by 1. मैं 126 को 1 से multiply करूँगी. So when we multiply any number with 1, the answer is the number itself. Now here what is the number? 126. So I will write 126 here. And how many zeros are there? Only 1. So I will put 1 0 here. So what will be the answer? 1260. I hope you are understanding the method of doing this multiplication. Now second part is multiplication by 100. Now how many zeros are there? 2. So same method I will follow. 3 multiply 100. First I will do the multiplication of these two numbers. 3 and 1. 3 ones are 3. How many zeros are left here? 2. So I will write 2. 2 zeros. 300 is the answer. Again in the second part, 13 into 1. 13 ones are 13. I will write 13 here. And how many zeros are here? Again 2 zeros are here. So answer is 1300. Now C part is 28 multiplied by 100. So numbers are 28 and 1. It means that I will multiply 28 by 1. 28 ones are 28. And how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So answer is 2800. Next, multiplication by 1000. Now 3 zeros are there. So first what will I do? Again the same method I will follow. 4 multiplied by 1. 4 ones are 4. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So I will write 3 zeros here. And what will be the answer? 4000. Now the B part is 9 multiplied by 1000. So first again I will do this. 9 multiplied by 1. 9 ones are 9 and 1000. 9000. 7 multiplied by 1. 7 ones are 7. And 3 zeros are there, so answer is 7000. Now I hope you have understood the method of multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. It is the easiest method because 100, 1 is there, so when we will multiply any number with 1, we get the same number. And you will see in the sum how many zeros are there. The number of zeros are there, you will write the same number in the answer. Now next topic is multiplication by 20, 30, 40 and so on. So on means like 60, 70, 80, 90. So without showing this method, I will do this multiplication also. So again the same method I will follow. 8 multiplied by 2. 8 2s are 16. And how many zeros are there? 1 0. So my answer will be 160. See students, you have to learn the tables by heart, because in multiplication we need to learn the tables on the tips. हमें tables को अच्छी तरह से learn करना है. Only then we can able to do the sums. Now second part, 25 multiplied by 40. So again I will do the multiplication of 25 by 4. Now how will you do the multiplication? I will show you the multiplication in a rough column here. See. First I will show you the 25 multiplied by 4. Now how will I do the multiplication? See, first I will do the multiply 4 by 5. 4 5s are 20. So I will put 0 at the ones place and 2 on this. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So if I will do multiplication of 25 and 4, I will get 100. I will tell you again. 25 multiplied by 4. First I will do the multiply 4 by 5. 4 5s are 20. I will write 0 here at the ones place, because 5 is at the ones place. See, ones and tens. And here also ones, tens and hundreds. 4 5s are 20. So 20, 0 I will write at the ones place, and 2 I will give gift to the next numbers. Now I will do the multiplication of 4 by 2. 4 2s are 8. Then 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. So answer is 100. Now I will write 25 multiply 4 is 100. And how many zeros you can see here? 1 only. So answer is 1000. Be careful while doing multiplication, because you can see that if I will do the multiplication of 25 and multiply by 4, answer is 100. So I will write 100 here. Then after writing 100, I will see the zeros. How many zeros is there in the sum? 1 only. So I will put 1 0 with 100. So what will be the answer? 1000. Now the next is 125 and 5. Sorry, 127 multiplied by 5. I will show the multiplication again in the rough column, because you can do these multiplication oral, verbally only. Verbally means oral. हम इनको लिख कर नहीं करेंगे. जैसे 127 is multiplied by 5. हम इस तरह से नहीं करेंगे, because only one number you have to multiply here. तो हम यहाँ पे फिर first we will write the places. Now I will do the multiply. 5 multiplied by 7 at ones place. 5 7s are 35. So I will write 5 here. 3 is remaining left. So I will write 3 at the tens place, because I have to give gift to the another number. Now 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. I will write 3 at the tens place, and 1 I will give gift to 100. So 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. See, if you have not understood this method, you can show the multiplication like this only. This also. Like this. You can do the multiplication like this also. But it is the easiest method, because by which number we are doing multiplication is one digit only. So do the multiplication like this. 5 7s are 35. 5 here. Give 3 gift to the tens. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. I will write 3 here. 1 is remaining left, and 1 I will give to the hundreds place. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So my answer is 635. But this is not the answer. Now you can see that how many zeros are there? Only 1. So I will put the 1 0 here. So my answer is 6350. Now the next sum. 2 multiply 4. 2 4s are 8. See, And how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So my answer is 800. Now the next sum is 40 multiplied by 60. Now both the numbers have zeros. So first step will be the same. I will multiply 4 and 6. 4 6 are 24. And how many zeros you can see here? 2 zeros are there. So I will put 2 zeros here. Answer is 2400. Now the next sum is 70 multiplied by 20. Again 7 multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. See, 2 zeros are there. One is here, one is here. So I will put 2 zeros here. 1400. Now the next sum is 9 multiplied by 80. 9 8s are 72. And how many zeros are there? One only. Because now here with 9 no zero is there. So I will count this zero only. 720. Now the eighth sum is 100 multiplied by 7. 1 and 7. 1 7s are 7. And how many zeros can you see? 2 zeros are there. So what will be the answer? 700. Now see, you can see that today I have solved the sum without doing any calculation. मैंने कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं की है. I have shown you the method of this. Do the multiplication. Try to do the multiplication like this because there is one digit only. You can speak the table of 5 till 7. Then you will write the answer at one's place. Then what will be the number remaining left? You will write that number in the tens place. Then you will speak the table of 5 till 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3. 13. 3 here. 1 I will give to the next number, hundredth place. Again I will speak the table of 5 till 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. So by doing this, you can solve the sum easily. Then you don't need the calculation. So hope you have understood today's method what I have done in the class. I will repeat. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. See, first step is, first you have to multiply the number 16 multiplied by 1. You can see here two numbers are there, 16 and 1. So first do the multiplication of 16 and 1, 16. Then you can see the 1 0 here, write 1 0, 160. If you can see the two zeros are there, then do the multiplication of 3 and 1, 3 and 2 zeros, 300. In the same way in the thousands place. And here I have shown you the multiplication by 20, 30, 40 and so on. The method is again following the same. You have to be very careful while doing the tables, while doing the calculation. So do practice at home very carefully. Thank you.